Here's a look at Masters of the Universe Fields of Eternia, Spells of Separation. We already looked at the main game, there's a video over there. This expansion adds the Evil Horde, so Hordak and all his people. Originally the enemies to She-Ra, but also part of the Masters of the Universe He-Man line. There's a mission book. Some additional rules. Some new events. Four plus 2 new characters on the same hard cardstock. This is really thick. Path of Destiny cards. Some more tokens. One more Path of Destiny. Dice. Same thing as before, just another color. And then of course we need to look at the plastic. Same kind of dice as the other ones. Soldiers, Horde troopers. Characters consist of Hordak, Grizzlor, Leech, Shadow Weaver, Scorpia and Catra. Hordak. Grizzlor. And the red plastic makes it a bit hard to pick it out on film. But honestly, it's not that good in person either. Luckily we're gonna paint this, right? Scorpia. Shadow Weaver, with some kind of puff of smoke coming out of her book. Catra. And if you've seen the Netflix series She-Ra and the Princesses of Power, the new one, this might actually be the model where it's most obvious that these are based on Masters of the Universe classics, not on their newer looks. And one of my favorite characters, Leech, the crossbreed of a slug and a vampire, or something like that. This was one of the action figures I had as a kid, and I really liked. Go check the channel if you want to see the other boxes, because I'm going through everything. Masters of the Universe, Fields of Eternia, Spell of Separation, referring to when Hordak separated the worlds where He-Man live, Eternia, and the place where She-Ra ends up. And they didn't see each other again until they grew up. But that's in-game lore if you care.